About to be an epic day. Heading down to a car show down in Hattiesburg, Mississippi with my homeboy Rodney, my homeboy Eugene, and there should be a couple other cats that show up once we get to Hattiesburg. But absolutely beautiful weather, about 69 degrees right now, or give or take. But should be a really good fun ride down, real fun day. Can't wait to see what these boys gonna have down there to show us, so looking forward to it. So guys, I'm gonna skip the ride. That's always boring as crap. We'll pick back up when we get in the Berg, meet up with everybody.
What's good, guys? You're here with your girl Ruthie Skye, and we're here at the Hattiesburg, Mississippi car show, and I'm here representing Spokes and Vogues. Make sure you come out, make sure you check us. We're going to be going on tour again. The next stop is going to be North Carolina, so make sure to follow us. You can follow me at Ruth_DA_truth. Ruth.truth.
We were supposed to do this down south, man.
Thank you, bro. It's an 89 Caprice Classic. Okay. It's got the 3-pump setup, 10 batteries. Got music is got what 6.5 in it, 118. 3 amps in it. It's got 300 amps in it. Then I got a HD on my bass is like 250. It just for show. Original motor, original 73,000 miles on it. Original motor under the hood and everything. So hey, it's work in progress. I'm trying to get it where I needed it. Yeah, 2-seater. Hey, it's a photo, but it's a 2-seater all day long. So yeah, and the car name is J. Ross. She's still a work in progress. So we're gonna get it together soon. I'm from Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
That's what I was saying, man. It's a little West Coast flavor though.
Oh yeah. From Baton Rouge. I'm down south rollers, Baton Rouge, New Orleans. Our home chapters in New Orleans. That's my Hattiesburg brothers right there. That's next to me. All both of these are Hattiesburg. That car right there from Hattiesburg. That car from Hattiesburg. So yeah. So I had to come support my club brothers.
Now we can't be Mississippi without a Jeep scene. Feeling it.
My name is Jessica, and I own Twisted Up 4x4, and we build Jeeps. So this Jeep has about a 6-inch lift, 40-inch tires, and a sleeper sound system.
55, it was Chevrolet Corvette and the Ford Thunderbird competition.
And this. It's a Studebaker though.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you see the speedster thing on the side?
Let's go look at it.
Yeah, see, look.
What's that signify though? That is the model?
Well, okay, you know, like a Mustang, you can get a regular Mustang, get a Mustang GT. Okay, this was actually a Studebaker President, but it was upgraded to a Studebaker President Speedster.
Okay. So it's the boss.
Yeah,
What kind of engine they got in it?
it's a 259. You want to see it?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's look at it. Thank you for taking time to do this. Wow. 259.
Yeah.
This is an impressive car. What you said? What year model is it now?
It's 1955.
1955.
Yeah.
Absolutely clean.
The only thing that changed on it, carburetor. The original carburetor, you didn't get like 7 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
And with this one, I'm getting close to 20.
Yeah, a little bit of an improvement.
Yeah, I can afford that.
Yeah. Well, look,
Everything else is all legal.
all right, I appreciate this, man. You from Mississippi?
Yeah.
Cadillac, Coupe de Ville. I guess it's in the 70-something model. It's flawless, man. The chrome. Look at the chrome on it. One of a kind, hell, y'all. The white wall, classic hubcaps. Yes, yes. Let's check out this interior. It's the interior. I just love a old school car with a red interior. Flawless, baby.
So what is this? What is this?
A Cutlass.
Wait,
Ain't that clean as it?
I can't drink black and not know that, right?
Right.
Right, okay. My bad. Don't take my card away from me.
Say something.
What's up?
Take care.
I wish. Good.
This Camaro SS with a 350 in it, 50 right there. The hot rod was just saying, wondering if you could run, which I know it can, because look, you got all this MSD stuff in it. That's high power output. I'm pretty sure she can run like a scalding dog.
1969 SSRS 350 engine, 350 transmission, 12-bolt original rear end. It's just a driver, good looking driver. I wanted something that I could drive to the coast. I'm from Hattiesburg, and I just wanted something that I can drive without, not being too rowdy, not having to worry about too much stuff. So went and got it in Ohio, and I'm pretty happy with it.
is this?
It's an El Camino. Look like they done put a 6.0 up in here. This is a nice truck, bro.
Now the killer is this detail that's on the back though.
Peanut butter interior. It look like it's supposed to be like
Now this camera ain't on.
yeah. Can't beat that wood. You sprayed the wood.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, they just don't make no sense right here. Beautiful.
Okay. Now, nothing says Mississippi like this. This us. This us.
Hey, check out that red rod, that 6-cylinder there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What you riding today?
Man, riding my old Sportster here, old 1200.
1200.
1200.
Man,
1997, man.
Wow.
Her name is Lula.
Lula. Woo! That's what you gotta love about a Harley, man.
Everything vibrates.
Everything.